Welcome to Adventures with Josh the Hound. Good morning. Welcome to the Principal Hotel in York. They have fantastic beds. Although it's like £180 for the night, and that doesn't include parking and breakfast. But anyway, and the room is quite small, but the bed was awesome. So we're alive and kicking. We're going to walk around York, have some breakfast, and probably do not a lot and see what trouble we can cause. This is the Perky Peacock in York. Definitely check it out. It's really cute. I'm going to show you inside right now. This little cafe. This is the Shambles Market.
Thank you, I'm not buying one. I've got a sense of you.
Sounds like my life, really.
Usual sightseeing tour around the infamous streets of York. You can expect to see sights of death, torture, execution, traffic jams, supernatural activity. But it won't all be doom and gloom. I've written a few jokes as well, so do listen out for those. I probably should have come. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! Louder, 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 louder. Be gone, Margaret, Margaret, be gone. The power above compels you, the power above compels you. Be gone, Margaret, Margaret, be gone, get out of doors.
An impromptu drive to Stafford to see a van full of old things, old rusty metal. Let me have another look. Right, here we go. Right.
Because we're losing all the light with the door in the pane, aren't we?
Yeah, that's right. That's a lot of electrical. Oh, wow, okay. Big old motors. That is British Leyland at its finest. Look at that.
And if you want to pull any out and put it out the front, you can.
Are the boxes hiding anything exciting, I wonder?
I know there's tools, but I don't know which ones or things like this. This is Delaval dairy equipment.
Dairy equipment. Yeah, I don't know much about that, to be honest.
So that's obviously not something you'll be interested in.
Let's have a rummage. Right, so little treasure trove. All sorts of, well, tools and bits. Each of them, you know, are valuable to someone that wants those particular bits. But if you're looking at rebuilding a set of carb or the inlet there, you know, how much is it actually going to cost you to do that versus getting a replica one or having that rebuilt? Is it worth it? It's an interesting hoard of, sadly, someone's garage is no longer with us, which is a shame to see it this way. But if you're not repairing those cars anymore, kind of not really any use to you. It's such a shame. So I'm not sure if this looks as mad on the camera as it does in real life, but man, it's raining. You can hardly see, flooding on the road and everything. Such adventure. Oh, are you ready? Oh, adventures. Rally driving. motorway and everyone's doing 5 miles an hour. Hello, and thank you for joining us. We are finally home back in Bristol. It has been a crazy day. We left at 11 o'clock this morning, York. Adventures, Staffords. We've had, well, as you can see, a Ouija board. A Ouija board? No, what was it? An exorcist on a bus. It's just so funny. Stayed in a hotel. Got attacked by rain on the way home. Yeah, long day. Saw a van full of stuff, and I have got myself a massive spanner. Bit like the owner of this YouTube channel. Well, thanks for joining us. There'll be some ridiculous adventure soon, and hopefully I won't have an itchy nose at the end of the next video. Ta-da!